Hey, nice to see you! How are you? Today we are going to make one of my favorite dishes. Sambusa, 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 sambusa! Let's begin! For the sambusa, we are going to use minced beef, onion, carrots, salt, white pepper, sugar, cumin. I've already cooked the rice. This is all we need for the filling. For the dough, we are going to use sugar, yeast, baking soda, and white flour. We need to fry the sambusa, so we are going to use sunflower oil. First of all, we are going to start with the dough, white flour, and I already prepared the yeast water. It's just the water with sugar, yeast, and baking soda. I let it rest for about 10 minutes. I'm going to mix it with my hand and begin with the dough. As you can see, I just finished with the dough. This is the size, and let it rest until it doubles in size. It depends on the room temperature, and I already have raised dough. These are the sizes. Don't forget to cover it with the wet towel. For the filling for the sambusa, I'm going to cut the onion and the carrots in very small pieces. As you can see, I cut the carrots in very small pieces and the onion too. Put in 1 tablespoon of oil. Cover the bottom with oil. Put in the beef. Put in the salt and cumin and onion. Put in white pepper. Keep mixing until the carrot becomes softer. Put in a little bit water. It keeps the filling nice and moist, but not too much water, otherwise the dough becomes very wet. Don't forget to put in the sugar. Cooked rice. Now the filling is ready. In the meanwhile, heat up the oil. The size of the dough is a little bit smaller than walnut. Press it from above, like this. As you can see, the sides are thinner than the middle. Put in the filling. Close the sides. and make it thinner. Now I'm going to wrap the beginning like this and pinch it and continue with the wrapping. Each time you are going to press the side and wrap it. Make sure that the oil heated up not too hot, otherwise the sambusa is going to burn. When both sides become golden brown, you can take it out. The first one, don't forget to cover it up, otherwise it becomes cold. Sambusa is ready. I'm going to open it, show you the inside. It looks yummy. It's still hot. Sambusa looks delicious. And I'm going to combine this with a salad. If you want to know the salad recipe, look at one of my salad videos. I hope you try this recipe and see you next week. Bye!